guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Pratiksha Mutru Chakraborty and you're watching my channel Karubaki. So for the ones who watch my videos regularly will know that for the past few weeks I have been posting quite some videos on how to do Warli painting on a ready-made cotton blouse. Now for doing all those paintings I have used just golden color, although for all those videos the blouses were already stitched and were ready to wear. So in this video I am going to share with you another Warli painting, but this time not with golden color but with white acrylic paint, and it is going to be done on an unstitched blouse material. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do, and it was an ordered product. So after I delivered the finished product to my customer, honestly she was very happy and I was happy seeing her feedback. So I hope that even you guys are going to like it as well. So yeah, if you like this video then just hit the like button and share with me your feedbacks in my comment section below. I would love to know how you felt about it. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon and press the all option so that whenever I upload any new video on this channel you can get the notification of that new video at the very earliest. So now without any further ado, let's just begin with our video. So first, using a scale and a pencil, I'm drawing boxes here, and inside these boxes I'm actually going to do my painting. Now this is optional, you can simply start with the painting, but I just drew the boxes because I wanted to have a clear idea where I was actually going to paint. And as you can see, I'm using my acrylic color white here, as I said I will be using, and I'm using my nail paint brush here, but if you do not have a nail paint brush you can always use a zero size brush, because this painting particularly is going to be very sleek, so I needed a very fine brush for doing that. So this brush was actually perfect for that. So if you have a brush like this, very good. If you don't, then as I said, you can use a zero size round brush here. So these kind of Warli designs really look very pretty when you see the final product. You will know they look so pretty. Now here, since my material is black color, the cloth is black color, so I'm doing it with white color, but you can always try different colors, or you can do it multicolored. Even that is going to look nice, because I believe that Warli painting always looks great on blouse material or any other dress material. When you do Warli painting, it really looks very nice. Now this is the portion that is actually going to fall on the back side of your blouse when it gets ready. I did the same thing for both the sleeves as well, exactly the same process. I drew boxes like this, square boxes for both the sleeves, and then I did exactly the same painting for the sleeves. Now for an unstitched blouse material, whatever measurements you're going to take, how you're going to take everything, the detailed video that is already available in my channel. So if you haven't watched those videos, then I would request you to kindly go and watch them. I have a detailed video on how you should paint on unstitched blouse material, what measurements you should be taking, how you are supposed to paint on the sleeves, everything. The entire detailed video is already available on my channel. So if you haven't watched that video yet, then kindly go and watch. I will also share the link of that video in my description box. So after you finish watching this video completely, you can go and check my description box for that video as well. But always remember, while painting on any kind of dress material,
just remember to put something hard like a newspaper or a cardboard or something similar below your cloth so that your paint does not get soaked. And for painting Warli paintings like this, normally just one coat is sufficient, but when you're doing some other kind of paintings on dress material, applying 2-3 coats of paintings is very important depending on how much paint your cloth is soaking. And here the cloth that I have taken, that is 100% cotton, and if you do not use a cotton cloth, it is going to be a little difficult while you apply acrylic paint. But if you are wanting to paint on materials like silk materials or stuff, then you can go for pearl metallic color of acrylic paints. Pearl metallic color, you can use that. But here, since my cloth is cotton, so I'm using a normal acrylic paint. Now you can also use fabric color, even you can use that, but I prefer acrylic paint. I say this in all my videos, so I love using acrylic paint, but it is completely your choice whether you are going to use acrylic paint or you want to use fabric color. And now I'm using this dotting tool for just doing some polka dots here. Now this is just going to be the border, and then you'll see, when you see the end result, you'll see it's looking so beautiful. When you are planning of doing Warli painting, definitely try out this kind of design. I'm sure you're going to like it. And here it is, guys. This is the final result. This is the back side, and just look at it. Isn't it looking beautiful? And trust me, when I delivered this to my customer, she was so happy, and that made me happy. And just look at it. I'm absolutely loving the end result. And this is the painting for the sleeves. I repeated exactly the same process for both the sleeves, and I think that the piece has turned out so gorgeous. I'm absolutely loving it.
So guys, that was it. That was the video, and as I said in the beginning of the video, that the piece turned out so beautiful. I hope you agree with me, because I am absolutely in love with this product, and I hope if you guys watch this video, even you are going to give it a try yourself. Just definitely do that, and I am sure when you do it yourself, even you're going to like it. So yeah, just give it a try, and if you have liked this video, if you found it helpful, then just hit the like button and let me know what you felt about it. Let me know your feedbacks, your suggestions or questions if you have any in my comment section below. I would love to help you guys. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon just beside the subscribe button and press the all option, so that whenever I upload any new video on this channel, you can get the notification of that new video at the very earliest. I upload weekly contents here in this channel, so for that you have to subscribe my channel so that you can get the updates of all my new videos at the very earliest. So yeah, I will be seeing you very soon next week with another new video. Till then, bye bye and stay creative.